Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add Superscript in Microsoft Excel. So very simple and easy way. Type your data like first, now just select ST, right click on it, format cells and here select Superscript. Then click on OK. Similar way you can type second using Superscript. So select ND, format cells and select Superscript. Then click on OK. You can change size and everything from here. Format cells and select Superscript. So thanks for watching. This is the way to add Superscript in Microsoft Excel.